Number 1. 1996 Ford F250, price $6,900, powered by the legendary 460 big block V8 engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. This well-maintained 2WD truck shows 138,000 original miles and runs on gasoline, offering dependable performance and plenty of power for towing, hauling, or everyday cruising. Equipped with dual fuel tanks, it provides extended driving range and added convenience for long trips or work use. Finished in a clean white exterior over a gray cloth interior, this F250 has a timeless and rugged appearance that fits perfectly with the classic Ford truck styling of the 1990s. While the long bed offers excellent utility and cargo space for work or recreational needs, inside, the cabin features comfortable cloth seating and a functional layout designed for durability and everyday practicality. The cold air conditioning keeps the interior comfortable in all seasons, making the truck enjoyable to drive whether on the highway or around town. Number 2. 1998 Nissan Frontier, price $9,499. The truck has 118,000 miles and is equipped with a 5-speed manual transmission, a dependable 4-cylinder gasoline engine, a white exterior, and a brown interior. This regular cab pickup runs and drives great and has been recently maintained, making it a reliable daily driver. The truck also comes with a camper shell/topper, bed liner, and cold AC, adding both comfort and practicality. Several important components have recently been replaced, including the battery, alternator, clutch, belt, and tires, including the spare tire. The truck has a clean title and has clearly been cared for over the years. Mechanically, it performs well and is ready to be driven without needing immediate work. Cosmetically, the truck shows normal wear and tear expected for its age, but overall it remains in solid condition. The main cosmetic flaw is the roof lining, which fell off a couple of years ago. Number 3. 1993 Chevrolet S10, price $10,000, powered by a strong 350-stroker engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, delivering an exciting and responsive driving experience. With 172,000 miles on the odometer, this classic pickup continues to prove its durability and reliability. Finished in a bold red exterior with a clean black interior, the truck maintains the timeless look that has made the S10 a favorite among truck enthusiasts for decades. Known for its sturdy construction and versatile design, the S10 offers a spacious and comfortable cabin with plenty of room for passengers and cargo alike, making it suitable for both daily driving and weekend projects. The truck also comes equipped with desirable features including power steering, cold air conditioning, and an AM/FM radio for added comfort and convenience. Number 4. 2001 Ford F250, price $8,950, powered by the legendary 7.3L Power-stroke diesel engine paired with an automatic transmission. This two-wheel drive truck has 267,000 miles and features a gold exterior with a clean tan leather interior that remains in great condition. The truck has never seen salt and shows no rust or rot, making it an exceptionally solid example. Originally purchased from the South to tow an enclosed trailer, it was never intended for winter driving. The engine runs strong with no overheating issues, the air conditioning blows cold, and the truck sits on newer tires with good brakes. Overall, this F250 is a clean, well-maintained diesel truck that is ready to work or cruise. Number 5. 1973 Ford F250, price $7,500, comes equipped with an automatic transmission, a white exterior paired with a brown interior, and is powered by a gasoline engine. It features a strong-running 390 fe V8 with approximately 10,000 miles since rebuild. Although there is no paperwork available for the engine work, the truck has been upgraded with a Holley 4160 double-pumper carburetor, headers, and a Pertronix electronic ignition system for improved performance and reliability. It rides on durable 16-inch steel wheels and includes an Alpine radio with a detachable faceplate and CD player. A new battery has recently been installed, and the dependable C6 automatic transmission shifts smoothly. Both the AC and heater are functional, while the bench seat remains in good condition and adds to the truck's classic feel. It also comes with dual fuel tanks, though only the rear tank is currently being used. The vehicle carries a clear Arizona title. Number 6. 1996 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,900, clean and well-preserved pickup with only 106,000 miles. It comes equipped with a reliable 4.3L V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering a smooth and comfortable driving experience. Finished in a brown exterior with a beige interior, this truck has been exceptionally maintained and is powered by gasoline. This truck is proudly described as having no rust ever and still retains approximately 95% of its original paint. The body is straight and clean with no sun fade or peeling clear coat. Inside, the interior remains in excellent condition with no rips in the seats and no cracks in the dashboard. It is also equipped with power steering and power brakes, making it easy and enjoyable to drive. Number 7. 1998 Ford F-150, price $3,500. This truck is powered by a rebuilt Lightning V8 engine with approximately 50,000 miles and an automatic transmission. Finished in matte black with a gray interior, this gasoline-powered truck combines strong performance with upgraded styling and handling. The truck features a full Lightning suspension and brake swap, SVT front bumper, grille, and rims, along with freshly upgraded brakes. It also rides on brand-new Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires. A Flowmaster exhaust gives the V8 an aggressive sound, while aftermarket interior speakers improve the audio experience. With its rebuilt V8 running strong and tasteful Lightning upgrades throughout, this F-150 makes for a clean and powerful street truck. Number 8. 1978 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,900. This truck is powered by a strong 355 crate motor equipped with Edelbrock components, an RV cam and lifters, long tube headers, and an aluminum racing radiator with dual electric fans. It also features a newly installed TH350 automatic transmission with a shift kit, and receipts are available for the work completed. The truck has only 60,000 miles on it and runs extremely well, making it a reliable daily driver. It comes with an automatic transmission, a gasoline engine, an off-white exterior paired with a black interior, and everything is reported to be in working condition. The vehicle also has a clean Colorado title in hand. Number 9. 1993 Ford F250, price $4,500, powered by a 5.8L engine paired with a ZF5 manual transmission and 4x4 drivetrain. With only 111,000 miles, this gasoline-powered truck runs and drives well. It features a blue exterior and a mint-condition blue interior with no smoke odors, mouse damage, or dash cracks. Recent maintenance includes new intake gaskets, starter, solenoid, IAC valve, wiper motor, and driver door latch cable. The clutch and tires have around 2,000 miles, and the battery is 1 year old. Both dual fuel tanks work properly, along with the auto-locking 4x4 hubs, heat, power windows, and locks. The truck idles slightly high, the radio does not work, and the oil pan leaks, though a replacement is included. The check engine light is on due to the missing catalytic converter with a welded pipe installed. Number 10. 1995 Chevrolet 2500, price $3,500. The truck has 196,000 miles and comes with an automatic transmission. It features a red exterior paired with a red interior and is powered by a gasoline-fed 454 big block engine backed by a 4L80 transmission. The truck is reported to run, drive, and shift well. The Chevrolet is equipped with ice-cold air conditioning, fully functioning gauges, power windows, and power seats. The front suspension feels tight, the tires are in good condition, and all lights are operational. The interior has been well maintained, with seats free from any rips or tears. On the downside, the passenger side bedside has a dent, and the passenger side mirror cap is broken. Despite these cosmetic flaws, the truck remains mechanically strong and overall well kept.